Hey, what's up, Techverse? Welcome back once again to Tech of Tomorrow. I'm Eric, your host, and today we have something very interesting on the table. Today's video is actually sponsored by Colgate. That's right. Today we're going to be talking about the E1, a smart toothbrush. That's right. We're talking about a toothbrush that actually has a smart chip inside of it. So this particular toothbrush, it not only can track where you're brushing on your teeth, it can track the duration and how many times you've actually brushed your teeth as well, which is really kind of crazy. And it can actually store all of this stuff inside of your smartphone, which you can access for up to 30 days. So if you don't want to track your stuff daily, you just want to see at the end of the month, hey, how are my teeth doing? Where do I need improvement? You can track it after 30 days. And if you have little kids, you know, kids that really don't like to brush their teeth, they actually have a Colgate app where little kids can actually use the app and play a game which actually inspires them to brush their teeth and make the whole thing just a much more enjoyable experience for your child. Let's just face it, a lot of times children can be a real pain when you're trying to get them to take care of their health. But with an app like this, your kids and you can both be involved together, and why not make brushing your teeth fun? Using the Colgate Connect app is actually very easy. You just simply download it for your iOS or your Android device and you're up and going. A very interesting thing about the Colgate E1 is the way that it maps your mouth. That's right. This toothbrush actually maps the inside of your mouth, letting you know where you need better brushing and what areas need to be paid better attention to. You can also get on-the-spot feedback about how you can better brush your teeth and different techniques on how to achieve this goal. The E1 features a great 3D coaching program that can talk you through how a dentist would have you brush your teeth. It offers step-by-step instructions on how you can get 100% coverage. The E1 features sonic vibrating bristles, a lightweight handle, and a sleek design. And vibrating bristles actually clean your teeth much better than a standard toothbrush can. The Colgate E1 is also very easy to use, and it comes with its own charging dock. And if you're worried about, hey, what do I do to keep my toothbrush clean when I'm not using it? It comes with a nice little cap to just slide on, keeping your toothbrush protected from the elements. The brush head in the E1 will need to be changed every 3 months, and they're actually very easy to change, and the kit actually comes with 2 heads to get you up and going. The bottom line here, tech fans, is that your dental hygiene is actually very, very important. Your mouth is basically the entryway into your body, and you want to make sure that all your teeth and all your gums and everything are the absolute cleanest so that you don't have to have your teeth taken out, replaced, and wear dentures. And the better you take care of your mouth, the better your mouth's going to take care of you. So this particular smart product is actually pretty interesting. I haven't seen any other toothbrushes out there that actually can map your entire mouth, which is kind of interesting. And the brushes, the heads that's on the brushes, they actually clean your teeth a lot better than a standard toothbrush will. The standard toothbrush, you're just going back and forth like this. When you've got a spinning head, it gets into all the crevices in your teeth. It takes away all the plaque, all the junk in your teeth, and keeps your mouth feeling a lot fresher. So if you're a person out there, you really care about your dental hygiene, you want to have an absolutely great toothbrush, then hey, check out the Colgate E1. We'll have a link down below. Make sure that you keep your teeth nice and clean. See ya.